I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Fluent Forms. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select LearnDash. Now click Connect button to authorize LearnDash. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the actions. Now select Course. There is no user map option, so you need must logged in state when you submit the form, or else integration will not work. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to LearnDash. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your course page. Here, I have already logged in. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now back to your course page and refresh the page. The course has been successfully enrolled. Thanks for watching.